Ever turned off your car and heard this weird clicking or ticking sound? Don't panic. It's usually a totally normal part of your car cooling down. Think about it. Your engine and exhaust system gets super hot when you're driving. When you shut the engine off, all those metal parts start to cool and contract. That clicking, ticking, or popping noise is just the sound of metal shrinking back to its original size. It's especially noticeable on hotter days or after a long drive. So, when should you worry? If the clicking is loud, happens while you're driving, or it comes with other symptoms like a check engine light or a poor performance, that's when it's time to see a mechanic. Otherwise, that little clicking sound is just your car letting out a sigh of relief after a good run. Hope this helps clear things up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips. Thanks for watching.